How did a single chalk mark on a dusty factory floor save a failing steel mill? This simple question holds the key to unlocking human potential when all other traditional methods of corporate leadership have completely failed. In the heart of the early 20th century industrial era, Charles Schwab, the brilliant president of a massive steel conglomerate, faces a frustrating crisis at one of his key manufacturing plants. Despite the local manager's best efforts to push his men, the workers are consistently underperforming, falling far behind their production targets month after month. Schwab decides to visit the noisy, soot-covered factory floor himself at the very end of a day shift, determined to find a creative solution where threats, lectures, and financial bonuses have repeatedly failed. Schwab walks onto the dusty, roaring factory floor just as the tired day shift is preparing to head home for the evening. He asks the manager how many heats of steel his men poured today, and the manager wearily replies, 6. Without saying another word, Schwab takes a piece of chalk from his coat pocket, draws a large, bold number, 6, directly onto the concrete floor, and quietly walks away. When the night shift workers arrive, they immediately notice the giant number and ask what it represents. Upon learning it is the day shift's output, a quiet spark of rivalry ignites, and by morning, they have rubbed out the 6 and replaced it with a giant, triumphant, 7. The returning day shift sees their pride openly threatened, rolls up their sleeves with newfound enthusiasm, and leaves a massive 10 by the end of their turn. Soon, this once failing mill is producing more steel than any other plant in the entire organization, transformed without a single argument, threat, or lecture. When threats and rewards fail, challenging people's healthy desire to excel and compete is the ultimate motivator. Schwab understood that true human motivation does not come from fear or financial bribes, but from a game, the desire for self-expression, superiority, and the deep satisfaction of winning. By raising a silent, visual challenge, he tapped into the innate human drive to prove one's worth and refuse to be second best. To inspire excellence in others, do not demand it. Instead, create a game that makes them want to win. Subscribe for one story, one lesson, every week.